Good morning, everyone. Uh, I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to cover some question of previous year of PPSC exam. Okay. अगर आप PPSC का तैयारी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए कि प्रीवियस ईयर में कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, किस पैटर्न में पूछा गया और किस किस सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, तो आपको प्रिपरेशन करने में आसानी होगी। इस वजह से मैंने 63rd PPSC प्री एग्ज़ाम का क्वेश्चन आज डिस्कस करूँगी। ये एग्ज़ाम जो हुआ था वो 1/7/2018 को हुआ था। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ quartz crystal used in clock. The answer is silicon dioxide. Second question is bromine is a red liquid. Third question is gas used in welding are oxygen and acetylene. Fourth question is galvanized iron pipes have coating of zinc. Fifth question is the wavelength of visible spectrum is in the orange. Answer will be 3900 angstrom to 76 angstrom. Now come to sixth question. Sixth question is detergent used for cleaning clothes are B. Sulfonates. Seventh question is the element excreted through human sweat is, the answer will be E. Eighth question is blue vitriol is chemically copper sulfate. Ninth question is the positively charged part at the center of an atom is called nucleus. 10th question is the conversion of a solid tightly into gas is called sublimation. 11th question is in human system insulin control the metabolism of, answer is carbohydrates. Now come to 12th question. The antibiotic among the following is, answer would be E. 13th question, which of the following is mostly carbohydrate? The answer is C. Rice. 14. The heaviest metal among the following, D. Platinum. 15th question, the stainless steel is an alloy of B. Iron and chromium. 16th question, the protect broken bones plaster of Paris is used, it is D. Gypsum. 17th question, the a hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are joined by a double bond is called alkene. Now come to 18th. The chemical name for vinegar is C. Acetic acid. The acid used in a car battery is sulfuric acid. The gas which comes out and opening a soda water bottle is carbon dioxide. 21. Which of the following smart city has become the India's first city to run on 100% renewable energy during daytime? Answer is Diu. 22 question. Mount Abu Zaid has won the 2018 UNESCO Cano World Press Freedom Prize. He hails from which country? Answer is Egypt. Now come to 23rd question. The bilateral military exercise Harimau Harimau Shakti 2018 has been conducted between India and which country? B. Malaysia. 24. Which Union Ministry has launched the second edition of the Union Bharat Abhiyan? Answer is the Ministry of Human Resource Development. 25th. Which Union Ministry in collaboration with Google India has launched a 360-degree virtual reality video on Incredible India? Answer is the Ministry of Tourism. 26. Which city hosted India's first ever nationwide food archaeology conference, Archeo Broma, Mumbai? Now come to 27. Which is the India's rank in the 2018 World Press Freedom Index? B. 138. Which institute has been awarded the 2018 National Intellectual Property Award in the category Top R&D Institution Organization for Patent and Commercialization? Answer: the Council of Scientific Industrial Research. Which state has topped the list of states with most number of beggars as per data released by the Union Ministry of Social Justice? Answer is West Bengal. 30th. Which district has become the India's first district to have 100% solar powered health centers? Answer is Surat. 31. Which Indian sports person has bagged gold in a men's 25-gram rapid fire pistol event at the 2018 ISSF Junior Shooting World Cup in Sydney? Answer is D. Anis Bhanwala. 32. Which state government has signed a pact with Airport Authority of India to develop village in Cameroon? Answer is D. Assam. Which state has the highest number of fully covered tribal habitation with the shape of drinking water? Of Madhya Pradesh. 34. ISRO has successfully launched GSAT-6A satellite from which rocket vehicle? D. GSLV F-08. What is the theme of the 2018 International Day of Forest, Sea Forest and Sustainable Cities? 36. Who has been elected as the new president of Egypt? C. Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. 37. Who has been chosen for the prestigious J.C. Daniel Award for 2017? Sri Kumaran Thampi. According to recent data released by the Indian Cellular Association ICA, India has acquired the 5th position in the world in producing mobile phones. Be second. Which state government has rolled out RUPA's scheme for marriage of poor girls? Answer is C. West Bengal. 40. Niti Aayog has launched the Atal New India Challenge that will provide grants of up to how much amount to innovative products and solutions? Answer is 1.5 crore. 41. Who chaired the first meeting of the think tank on the framework for national policy on e-commerce? C. Suresh Prabhu. 42. Which of the following district of Bihar does not share border with Nepal? That is D. Purnia. 43. Which of the following is the only UNESCO World Heritage Site present in Bihar site of India? Answer is D. None of the above. 14. 44. The Union Cabinet has approved MOU between India and SACEP for cooperation on oil and chemical pollution in the South Asian Seas region. What does SACEP stand for? The answer would be South Asian Cooperative Environment Program. 45. Which state government has recently signed MOU with South Korea to enhance tourism cooperation? Answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. 46. The Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education has signed MOU with Traffic for supporting forest-based communities. Where is the headquarters of ICFRE located? D. Dehradun. 47. Which of the following teams has won the Newton Bhabha Fund for the project on groundwater arsenic research in Ganga River Basin? Answer is India UK joint team. Now come to 48. The Bard Super Thermal Power Station BSTPS is located in which state? Bihar. The International Solar Alliance has recently signed a pact with which international organization to promote solar energy deployment in Asia and Pacific? D. Asian Development Bank. 50. India has signed a tripartite MOU with which country for civil nuclear cooperation? C. Russia and Bangladesh. What is the most significant feature of the Indus Valley Civilization? Burnt brick building. Megasthenes was the ambassador of Seleucus. Now come to 53. Kautilya Arthashastra is a book on principle and practice of statecraft. Three Pitakas are the sacred books of the D. Buddhist. 55. The central point in Ashoka's Dhamma is? Answer is E. 56. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes is particularly mentioned in D. The Indica of Megasthenes. 57. The famous Chinese pilgrim Fahin visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II. Now come to 58. The Chola age was most famous for village assemblies. The mighty gateways found at the temple of South India are called Gopurams. The remains of Vijayanagara Empire are found in Hampi. Who was the first Muslim ruler to formulate the theory of kingship similar to the theory of divine right of the king? C. Balban. Paper came to be used in India in the 12th century. 16.3. European paintings were introduced in the court of Akbar. Now 64. Who was the ruler of India when the English East India Company was formed? B. Akbar. Which of the following princely estate was not annexed by the British? B. Gwalior. 66. What was the ultimate goal of Gandhi's salt satyagraha? Answer is E. The Mopla rebellion of 1921 broken out in B. Kerala. The Swadeshi movement took place in India during the anti-Bengal partition agitation. Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha was formed in 1929, by which act Bihar became separate provinces, the Government of India Act 1935. Which of the following committees or commissions recommended the creation of Nyay Panchayat? B. Ashok Mehta Committee. Which of the following function is not the concern of local self-government? D. Maintenance of public order. The system of Panchayat Raj is mentioned in state list. 74. 50% reservation for women Panchayat Raj institutions is legalized in certain states such as, answer would be D, which is Bihar, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Money bill can be presented only in Lok Sabha. What is the nature of the Indian Constitution? D. Federal in nature but unitary in spirit. Who appoints the judge of the Supreme Court of India? B. President. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? B. Vice President. The Prime Minister of India is responsible to whom? C. Lok Sabha. What is the minimum age for a member of parliament? That is 25 years. What is the retirement age of the judge of the Supreme Court? That is 65 years. Who is the highest civil service officer of the central government? The Cabinet Secretary. One of the following in calculating national income in India is, answer is D, non-organized sector. The apex bank for providing agriculture refinance in India is NABARD. According to the 14th Finance Commission, the percentage share of state in the net proceeds of the shareable center tax revenue should be 42%. Which sector in India attract the highest FDI flow? Service sector. Who among the following is the present governor of RBI? Urjit Patel. The size of marginal land holding in India is less than 1 hectare. Globalization does not include disinvestment of public sector equity. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act came into force in India during 2005. TRIMS stand for Trade-Related Investment Measures. Niti Aayog came into existence on 1st January 2015. Gullak Bacha Bank is the bank based on B. Patna. The base year for All India Wholesale Price Index, that is WPI, has been changed by the Government of India from 2004 to 5, that is 2011 to 12. According to Indian Population Census 2011, the percentage of literacy among males and females both in lowest for the state of Bihar. Average size of land holding in Bihar in comparison with other state is second lowest. The latest per capita income at current price is lowest for the Indian state of Bihar. 98. The latest annual per capita consumption of electricity in Bihar is lowest. The average yield of cotton is the highest in India for the state of Andhra Pradesh. The road length per lakh of population in Bihar is second lowest. During 10,000 BC, the population of the world was, answer would be none of the above, more than one of the above. Coca plates lies between Central America, Cocos plate lies between Central America and Pacific plate. Rust Bowl of the USA is associated with which of the following region? D. Pittsburgh region. Which one of the following approaches is associated with Professor Amartya Sen? B. Capability approach. 105. Which one of the following is known as the coffee port of the world? Santos. Which one of the following state has the highest percentage of area under forest? D. Arunachal Pradesh. Which one of the following soil is deposited by river? Alluvial soil. What is the share of hydroelectric power in the total electricity produced in India? That is 22%. Which census year is called demographic divide in the population state of India? That is 1931. The largest number of cotton mills in Tamil Nadu are found in Coimbatore. Which of the following state is a leading producer of rubber in India? B. Kerala. National Waterway 1 connect C. Haldia to Allahabad. Khetri belt of Rajasthan state is famous for copper mining. Which one of the following river joins the Ganga at Fatua Punpun? According to Copper Climate Classification, the climate of North Bihar may be experienced CWG. Which soil is predominantly found in the district of Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga and Champaran? That is newer alluvium. The largest jute producing district of Bihar is the Purnia. Triveni Canal has been constructed on the river of C. Gandak. (119) The salvation place of Mahavir Ji, the originator of Jain religion, is located at Pawapuri. Kaimur Plateau is famous for limestone. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati published a journal named Hunkar. Who established a branch of Anushilhan Samiti at Patna in 1913? That is Sachidanand Sanyal. Who organized Kisan Sabha at Munger in 1922-23? None of the above. Bihar Socialist Party was born in 1934 with its secretary Jai Prakash Narayan. Who was the member of the Constituent Assembly of India from Bihar? Answer would be E. First Indian ministry in Bihar in 1937 came into existence under whose leadership? M.D. Yunus. Whom did Rajendra Prasad consider as the father of Pakistan? Lord Minto. When the Patna lawn renamed as Gandhi Maidan on the eve of independence. 129. Bombay Presidency Association was established by E. Who established Imperial Cadet Corps? Lord Curzon. The declaration of partition of Bengal was done on 19th July 1905. Who was the given life punishment for the murder of Colonial Valley Madan Lal Dhingra? The post of Indian High Commissions was created by which act? The Government of India Act 1919. 134. The Indian National Congress did not take part in which of the following round table conference? E. Mahatma Gandhi presided over which session of the Indian National Congress? 1924. Who was not the member of Cabinet Mission? Wavell. Who wrote the pamphlet Now or Never? Rahmat Ali. Who declared sati illegal? William Bentinck. 139. When was the Punjab Land Alienation Act passed? 1900. The Department of State was established under whose leadership? Sardar Patel. A number when divided by 42 gives remainder 47. When the same number is divided by 19, what would be the remainder? 9. A person who spends 66 2/3% of his income is able to save rupees 1200 per month. His monthly expenses in rupees are 2400. A man gains 20% by selling an article for a certain price. If he sells it at double than price, the percentage of profit will be 140. 10 women can complete work in 7 days and 10 children take 14 days to complete the work. How many days will 5 women and 10 children take to complete the work? 7. How many number between 11 and 19 are divisible by 7? 11. A man rows 7.5 km per hour in still water. If a river running at 1.5 km an hour, it takes him 50 minutes to row to a palace and back. How far off is the palace? 3 km. A sum of invested at a compound interest amount 4,624 in 2 years and to 4,913 in 3 years. The sum of money is 4,096 rupees. A man buys 20 shares paying 9% dividend. The man wants to have interest of 12% on his money. The market value of his share is rupees 15. The following pie chart shows the spending of country on various sport during a particular year. The study charts carefully the answer the question. This is the pie chart. How much percentage is spent on football than that on cricket? That is 33 and 1/3. Invested rupees 76,000 in a business. After few months, B joined him with 57,000 at the end of the year. The total profit was divided between them in the ratio of 2:1. After how many months did B join? That is B4. ओके, आज हमने 63rd BPSC प्री एग्ज़ाम का क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया, जो कि आपको आइडिया हो चुका होगा कि BPSC के प्री एग्ज़ाम में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन होते हैं, किस पैटर्न में होता है, किस सब्जेक्ट से मोस्टली क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. तो इस तरह मैं 5 बैक ईयर के क्वेश्चंस मैं डिस्कस करूँगी. उसके बाद फिर BPSC की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करूँगी. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो इसको लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. ओके, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 62nd BPSC प्री एग्ज़ाम के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूँगी. और आफ्टर जब मैं 5 ईयर बैक के क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लूँगी तो हम लोग सिलेबस स्टार्ट करेंगे 66th BPSC के लिए. ओके, टिल देन, गुड बाय.